Namaste. In order to remove Arjuna's sorrow, Bhagavan had started teaching the Atma Tattva. Ishavasya Upanishad says, Yasmin sarvani bhutani atmaiva bhut vijanatah tatra ko mohah kashokah ekatvam anupashyatah. One who sees the all-pervading Atma in all the living beings, where can there be sorrow and where can there be delusion? Desire, anger, delusion, fear, they are all products of avidya. Appearance of a snake in a rope creates fear. Appearance of silver in a shell creates delusion. Because we identify the self with body and mind, we suffer. This body and mind are called upadhis. What is upadhi? Sameepe sthitva sviyan gunan anyatra adadati. This is the Sanskrit definition of upadhi. We'll understand the meaning with an example. Take a glass pyramid and a red flower placed next to it. What happens? The glass pyramid looks red. Now, the red color of the flower was really never transferred to the glass pyramid at any point of time. As long as the red flower is near the glass pyramid will look red. There was no actual transfer. And the moment the flower is taken away, the glass pyramid will become transparent. This body and mind are called upadhis in the Shastras. It is the nature or quality of the body to be fat or thin or tall or short. It is the nature of the mind to feel sorrow or happiness or delusion. But we identify the qualities of the body with the self and say, I am tall, I am short, I am fat. Similarly, we identify the nature of the mind with the self and say, I am not feeling good, I feel nice, and so on. It is the mix-up we have done between the body, mind, and the self. This is also called as adhyasam in Shastra. We have falsely placed the qualities of the body and mind on the self, and hence the sorrow. Just as when the 10 disciples crossed the river and they thought that one man had drowned and they were sorrowing, a person came nearby and said that you are the 10th person. The sorrow was gone. Similarly, Bhagavan is teaching the Atma Tattvam to Arjuna to remove his sorrow. And he told that Atma is nityaṁ. It is present forever and nothing can destroy it. It is all-pervading and present everywhere. Now, let us see what Bhagavan is saying in this 26th Sloka. Atha cainaṁ nitya-jātaṁ nityaṁ va manyase mṛtam tathāpi tvaṁ mahā-bāho nainaṁ śocitum arhasi. Atha cainaṁ nitya-jātaṁ nityaṁ va manyase mṛtam tathāpi tvaṁ mahā-bāho nainaṁ śocitum arhasi. Bhagavan is now taking the standpoint of materialistic standpoint. So if in case Arjuna thinks that the self is born with the body and dies with the body, this is materialistic view or also called as Charuvaka view. Charuvaka view is basically where they think the body is very important. The famous quote goes, Ritam kritva gritam pibet. Take a loan and have ghee. Even if you don't have money, buy a loan and take ghee to protect the body. So here Bhagavan says, even if you think that the self is born with the body, even if you think that the Atma is born with the body, nitya-jātaṁ meaning born with the body. Nityaṁ va manyase mṛtam. Manyase meaning even if you think that it dies with the body. Tathāpi, even then, tvaṁ, you, mahā-bāho is what Krishna calls Arjuna, meaning one who has mighty shoulders. Na evam śocitum arhasi. Śocitum meaning worry or feel sad. You don't have to feel sad, is what Bhagavan tells Arjuna. He's going to continue and tell why in this next sloka, which we will see tomorrow. So here Bhagavan says that even if you think that the self is born with the body and dies with the body, you should not worry, or you don't have to worry about it. We'll continue with the next sloka tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.